Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the popular ray of light effect in Affinity. So let's get started. I've already had my canvas ready here. Now I'm gonna go to the shape tool and select the double star tool. Draw it on my canvas and align it to center. Then I'll go to the context toolbar here at the top. I'll change the points to 20, then inner radius to 100%, and point radius to 0. Also, change the stroke color to none. Then I can scale it up and make it fill the whole canvas. Next, I can change the color. White or light yellow looks fine. However, I'll stick with white. I'm gonna adjust the transparency. And this is the ray of light. Alternatively, I can also change the color to gradient. So I'm gonna undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. Go to the color setting up here and select gradient fill. Set this one to white and this one to white as well, but make it transparent. And change the type option to radial. Then I'm gonna grab the fill tool and reposition the gradient path. Now the light looks slowly fade out. I can also make it a bit transparent, about 50%. Looks much better now. So that's it. This should be all about how to create a ray of light effect in Affinity. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.